Welcome back, guys. I'm Life Adjacent. This is Mello, and today we're gonna explode a watermelon. Okay, ready? This is gonna be a lot of like fast forwarding, just because this is gonna take forever.
To your job.
What's my job?
To help. You are the sidekick
Whoa.
in this activity.
Why? I'm the one who came up with this. No, it's watermelon. Say it.
Watermelon.
No, say it.
Watermelon.
No. Watermelon.
That's what I'm doing.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Don't ever do that again.
Told me to do it.
Why do you hit? My fingers get stuck under there.
Oh, you got big ass fingers. Really?
Sorry. You said not one.
Yeah, but
Ow! I snipped my finger!
okay.
Look at my fingers! Okay. Did you know? What did the watermelon go and do? Committed a felon! A what a felon!
It's not funny at all. That was stupid.
It's not really fun when you're doing it with a moron, huh?
Wait, are you calling yourself a
Yeah.
moron? Okay, that's fine. Hey, don't dump them, don't dump them. It'll be easier if you just take them out of the... Really?
Yep.
Pick that one up. Pick it up. That tasted so gross. Lick my finger. Do it.
No.
Do it, please.
No.
What's your reaction?
No, you have gross fingers.
Grosser than yours?
Yeah.
I'm not doing this anymore. You can do it by yourself.
Ow!
Can you not? We have to clean these up after.
Yeah, like I just decided to break it. What's your favorite escargot meal?
Do you even know what escargot means?
Nope.
It's snails.
Ow. Ew.
Escargot is snails.
It's disgusting. Owie! Ow!
Your fault.
It scared me. You're a scary human.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Should love to do a video with him. Oh, and Jimmy Tatro. Jimmy, you watching this? Alright, not, still.
Ah!
My lips taste like rubber band.
Why?
I don't know.
Have it in your mouth?
Let me give. taste like rubber band?
Huh? So don't let my watermelon get off. Put your watermelon in it.
Hey, quit it.
We're halfway there.
I went all look at my face.
What is my eyes? I hope it's so like hard. It doesn't taste that good. It tastes like rubber band.
There's pieces of watermelon everywhere. Look. Oh! Hold on. Look at this piece. Ugh.
Go get the band of...
Oh, the see where it is? This is all the rubber bands into a into a rubber band ball.
This tastes like rubber band. It's not good.
No. Get in the food. Get in the food. Look, there's pieces all the way back here. Beautiful. Watermelon. Ah! I didn't even mean to.
You hit me in the head.
I didn't mean to. But you just shot me in the back.
You hit me in the
Look,
head.
it's like all wet now.
You have to be sure.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. We just broke a watermelon.
Stop. Okay.
Put the watermelon down. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let us know if you guys want us to explode anything else. I'm down to explode more.
Like what?
A cucumber.
No.
Ew, this feels like all mashy. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and
You
subscribe.
already said that. It's like some Stop.
I play with my food. Alright. Bye! 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 Bye!
Bye!
You don't do it right.